This is Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, and today I would like to show how you can clear app cache and data on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then go for the Apps section somewhere. Here it is. Then open the list of all installed apps. Onwards, find whatever app you would like to clear the data for. Onwards, go for the storage and cache. And at the storage page, you can either clear the cache exclusively and the cache gets erased, or you can clear all user data that this app has, including cache as well, by going for the clear storage option, then tap at the delete over here. And as you can see, the user data gets successfully erased as well. Alrighty, so that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.